Howdy howdy howdy. I am a little Timmy Rose, avatar for artists, Tim Rose bro, and this is Art World Geeks, inspired by, where I discuss a work that inspires my art practice. In this episode, we'll look at the 1992 installation, Free, by the artist Drake T. Ravonnet. T. Ravonnet was born in Buenos Aires, Argentina, in 1951. The artist is known for his work entitled 1997 Glass House, which consisted of a small version of Philip Johnson's 1949 Glass House. The work was installed in the MoMA Sculpture Garden. In Free, the artist converted a gallery into a kitchen, where he served rice and Thai curry for free at a gallery in New York. This work inspires me to look to social interaction as an influence on my work. Until next time, I'm Little Timmy Rose, avatar for artists, Tim Rose bro. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media and the web at Art World Geek.